Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone channel, and today we're visiting a historical place which is located on Sõrve Peninsula on the Sarema island. On 16 September of 1941, Soviet forces launched the construction of the Lõpe-Kaimri Antitank line to halt the German advance. It runs from the west to east in the southern part of isthmus of Sõrve Peninsula, which is just 3 kilometers and 200 meters wide at this point. Comprising 2 rows of concrete pyramids stretching 900 meters from Lõu Bay to the village of Teesu, the anti-tank line is in good condition. It is made up of 2 rows of pyramids standing 800 centimeters high and spaced 1 meter apart. Parts of the fairly well-preserved anti-tank line have gaps in them, indicating points at which the enemy broke through. The site is easily accessible and can be clearly seen from the road running down the western side of the isthmus. The line is the site of a monument unveiled in 1969, depicting a tall concrete pyramid which reads Lõpe-Kaimri Antitank line, built in 1941. And here's another fun fact. Probably you all know the Toblerone chocolate, and its design was taken from similar fortification which was built in Switzerland during the Second World War. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, keep traveling and discover new locations. Bye bye.